Hello guys, in today's video I do have the iPhone 17 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily recover your iPhone and force restart it. So as you can see now my iPhone is turned off, but to do a force restart of your iPhone you have to at first hold, quickly press and release volume up, quickly press and release volume down, and press and hold the power button. So let me show you how does it work. Volume up, volume down, and the side button until you see the Apple logo. You have to keep holding this button until you see the Apple logo. This may take 10 to 20 seconds. Don't go too early, and this does not erase the data. Now, as you can see, I didn't spot that there is. I didn't notice that there is an Apple logo, so we can just turn our device with the power button. But that's how to do the force restart. If you want to enter the recovery mode, you have to just plug your iPhone to a Mac Finder or a Windows PC with the iTunes. With a cable, preferably USB Type-C to Type-A with data sending possibility, and keep holding the button even after the Apple logo. This should work for you. Then on your computer, choose Update if you want to fix iOS without holding the data, or Restart to erase iPhone and reinstall the iOS. If you entered the recovery mode by accident, you can just perform a force restart. The same thing that I showed you. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.